So I've really been looking forward to sharing this one. This is in a property in Brandon. It's an engineered oak floor that was, as you can see, very worn in a lot of areas. We had the hallway, the lounge, a downstairs loo, dining room, and a really sort of tight corridor that led into the kitchen. So we brought in Johnny Cash's younger brother. So this is the Viper, the Cobra Viper. Yeah, we fired it up and started the belt sanding. So needed a good belt sand to get off all of the old coating, and it's coming off really nicely here. As you can see, this the really pale, creamy oak coming through. And for those of you who haven't used a belt sander, it's not as difficult as it looks. And you know, if you're going to hire one, once you get used to it, it's really enjoyable to use actually. So this is another key tool. So this is the Bonaflexi sand, and you use this with the same abrasives, but there's 4 abrasives on the bottom of a rotating planetary disc. Here's me just blending in the edges with a Rotex Festool on 100 grit, I think. Now, who doesn't like kissing somebody else's lips of a toilet? Well, that's what you have to do when you're working around a toilet in a downstairs loo. So this was me on the Rotex, getting into the really tight areas, as I say, around the toilet. Lovely job. So more belt sanding in a corridor, which was actually really tight, to be honest. Tighter than I thought initially, but yeah. So here's where it starts to take shape. This is me putting on the Loba Stain. They've gone with a nutmeg, and it really brought out the colour and the oak and all of the features. Must have been a really expensive floor, this, because some of the features were just breathtaking, to be honest. So this is me putting the Classic Plus on, the 1K lacquer. So I'd already primed it, and this is the first coat going down. As I say, it's got the 1K finish in it for extra protection. This customer's got a lovely Alsatian, so we wanted to make sure that it was as protected as it could be. So what did it look like? Here we go. So this is the floor, nice and protected. Like I say, we've got all these gorgeous features coming through. This is the lounge, the lights shining off the floor with the sheen of the 1K. Really sets off the lounge, I feel. And the customer was over the moon. He was actually stood on the stairs just before that photo was taken. Really impressed with the floor. There's another good view of the sheen and there as well. So yeah, another job completed. Brandon, lovely people. Lovely job, and yeah, this floor is going to last a long time to come. And you know, we just want to thank the customer for the work. And if you know anyone who is looking for a floor restore, please send them my way. Website woodfloorrevival.co.uk. Cover the North East and Yorkshire, and I would love to look at a job for you. Thanks for watching.